Now we have view. Okay, in the view we will have this is view class, and we will create get and post method. Do post and do get. Okay, we should comment this. Okay, and we should have in the do post method we will write our code. Okay, we will write our code. We will have we should have a separate public function. Public void display HTTP servlet response res. Okay, we will create this. Then in the try catch we have catch exception e we have this, and in the try block we should create db. D is equal to new db from the db class, right? And we should get the connection con connection con is equal to d dot get con. Statement st1 is equal to con dot create statement. Okay, create statement. Now this statement we will execute the query, for execute query function of this statement to get the result set. So result set rs is equal to st1 dot execute query, and query is select all from table name is m. Okay, table name is m. Now we will get the record. We have a variable string str is equal to empty. We will return this. Okay, so it should display. We have a while loop. Okay, while loop, and inside while loop we have record set dot next function, and inside this we create the our string plus is equal to br. This should be table border is equal to 1. We have str plus is equal to tr str plus is equal to, we create the HTML, right? th, and this is name and th. We have str plus is equal to th email and th. We have str plus is equal to th edit, and we have th we have this, we have str plus is equal to th and delete. We have delete function, and we have this th. Okay, so this is how we create this, and we should write this outside. We should write this table statement outside this, and these should be like td, right? Name should be name is td, name is plus plus rs dot get string database column name. We will give the database column name, right? Database column name is name. Okay, and we will close the td. We open the td, and now we have plus plus and rs dot email, rs dot get string email is e small, so this is case sensitive, right? You know that Java is case sensitive. So this is, we have td. For the edit, we will have a link ahref is equal to edit servlet. This should be single quote, edit servlet, and this is a, and in the edit we will pass the id. Okay, so id is equal to, we will pass the id, so id is equal to rs dot get string id. Okay, for the edit we will have this id. Okay, we will pass this id. Now we have td here also, td, and we have for the delete, we have ahref is equal to delete servlet, right? And we will pass what id is equal to plus plus and rs dot get string id. Get string id, right? And we should remove this id and we should put the plus here, plus, and it should be inside anchor tag A. Okay, so this is our form for this is HTTP, right? HTTP, right? HTTP servlet response. Okay, so this will display the records with the edit and delete, and there will be a table. There will be a str plus is equal to table border is equal to 1. Border is equal to 1. We have str plus is equal to tr str plus is equal to th name th, and we have str plus is equal to th and email, and we have th str plus is equal to th. Th is table heading, edit and th, and we will have str plus is equal to th delete th. Okay, so this will create a table class, and then we have to return str, and we will close the table also. We will close the table here. Str plus is equal to close the table. Okay, this will return a string. This will not return a string because this will display a string. Okay, how to display the string? How to display the string? We should have another function, view HTML. Okay, view HTML.